Good afternoon, third graders, and welcome to my teaching space. I'm so glad you're here with me right now. I miss you. I miss seeing you in person, and I know it's hard for you to be out of school. At first, for me, it felt like a little bit of a vacation, even though there's bad stuff happening all over and all around us and we are doing our best to be safe. I'll be honest, at first I was like, wow, we get to be out of school that long. And now, as we start planning and working for you and watching the news, we know that it's a much bigger deal than just being out of the building. So, we are going to start our learning together, and my goal for you is that music be fun, that you enjoy learning our new activities, that you participate in them, and some of them will be a little easier than others, and some are going to take a new learning. Today, we're going to talk about a new app called Explain Everything. I don't know if you've done very much with it with your homeroom teacher, but it's kind of tricky. And it's an app that I want to use a lot, so I want you to spend some time exploring in it. Anyway, before we get to that, as you go through these slides, we're going to start out just with some songs, with some singing. Some of them are singing games that we've done in class. And if you want to find somebody in your house to do them with you, might not be the same as when we have 25 or so kids in the room, but still fun to do and to remember. I will in the future have new songs that maybe don't involve a game with a lot of people. I'll look for some that are games that you could do kind of independently and some instruments. And even though you don't have a collection from school, we'll find things around the house that work for that. So I'm going to have you go through singing first, and then we're going to do some rhythm activities, some things that you have done with 16th note patterns. And you're going to do some clapping and some listening and some trying them out. The next thing we're going to do, there's a big slide that says practice, and it's going to tell you about back in Schoology. There is a file about 16th notes, and then it's .explain. And this is with the app called Explain Everything. I'm learning, as you are, about this app. So it's not going to be perfect. We're not going to have everything right in the beginning. I'm going to work hard at it, you're going to work hard at it, and we're going to give each other some feedback. So it's important that you tell me what is working for you and what you need more help with so that we can continue using that, because I think it's a great way to share information back and forth. So I encourage you to open that app and try to do the lesson I have for you. But then also just kind of close out the lesson I have and do some exploration on your own in Explain Everything. There also are some videos within the app and on YouTube that you can look to help you learn about Explain Everything. And you guys are so smart with your iPads, you can maybe even connect with one another and share some tools and some skills that you have learned with it. So give it your best shot today, and we will continue to work in the future. I want to wrap up what we're doing with 16th notes. We have a little test we're going to take on that in probably the next music class. And don't worry, it's not hard. It's with alligator pie, which you already know. And then we'll continue with some new stuff after that. So keep hanging in there, keep working hard, and I will see you next time. Questions, comments, feel free to email me, have your parents email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Make it a great day.